I'm Manuel Gadi, and I love working with data and also work teaching data. And so I got my hands dirty analyzing some of the coronavirus data, and I want to share with you some of my findings. If we have a look at the amount of deaths, the number of deaths in all countries, like we have Spain here at the top, and then we have in blue here India, and then we have the United States, going up really quickly here. And so they all look that they're going up, but are they all the same, the curves? Do we have to be scared of them all? Well, basically, I want to share with you the experience of China first. So China, they had a daily death very, very big, and then it started going down. And if you only look at the daily deaths, the number of deaths daily, you see lots of variations. So my proposal is to use some things that we use in investment banking. That is the moving average of 3 days, moving average of 7 days, that's a week, 14 days and 21 days. And with that's the yellow line is the 3 days, and the red line is the green line is the 7 days, and then the daily deaths in 14 days. So China, basically, the yellow line was on top, and then it went down. It had a surpass, so it actually it crossed down to the green line, and so now it's smaller than the green line, and the green line is also smaller than the red line, and then the purple line. So let's see other country, Italy. Italy happened the same few days ago. So today is the 8th of April, and few days ago, the yellow line in Italy went down the green line, and now Italy is in a different situation, because even the green line now is smaller than the red line, and the red line is also going down apparently, and it's going to cross with the 21 days line. So we see a trend here that is not clear with the ups and downs of the daily deaths. However, daily deaths, we have to, it's random. It can be because of the reporting delays, or it can be random happening like this. But if we move it with the moving average of 3 days and 7 days, we can see clearly the trend, because the trend was going up as the yellow line was above the green line, but now it's down the green line, so it's going down. And the same happened in Spain. In Spain, Friday, today is Wednesday, so Friday we got this trend going, or actually the Sunday, the yellow line crossed the green line, and then crossed the red line, and the green line is just yesterday touching the red line. So we're about to see the change here as it happened in Italy. What about the UK? Well, the UK, it also happened. The yellow line crossed the green line. So we see a start of a trend here, but we're not sure that's gonna happen. Well, don't believe the less data here, because it's probably that I'm not getting the full data. So not in here, the very end, just this and this one. So the 439 here. So that's basically touching it. So it's starting to see a change on the line. That's not true in the US. The US is still very high. The yellow line is above gray line, so it's going up. So they starting to see take actions there, but we're still seeing it, the yellow line above the green line, so we don't see a change just yet. Canada, they don't have big numbers there, but still yellow line above green line. Australia, not big numbers, so I don't think they need to worry. But it's yellow line above green line. What about France? France, they do have big numbers of deaths, daily deaths, and we see big variations. There was a slight change on trend here a few days ago, but it went back again up. So France has a big issue now. And Germany, in Germany, we're seeing the lines are crossing, yellow line going down, and the green line starting to bend. So hope in France, in Germany, Sweden, not many data anyways, but they're going up in Sweden. So that's all that I had to share. So if you had any comment, I would be glad to to see what could you tell me that I could do in this analysis to improve it and to make it more robust. If you agree with the trends or anything, so please let me know. Just make your comment.